Morning everyone, back here on another wet and miserable Monday. I don't know what you lot are doing this week. Are you working? Are you not? It looks like it's going to be rain around for a couple of hours this morning, so yeah, it's going to be a wet one. Just pulled up at the first job, going to get some leaves collected, do any cutting back that needs to be done, but we won't be getting much done in this glorious weather. Just been to the garden centre, picked up some plants, going to do a couple of little hanging baskets here for a job. Also, I've just picked up a dustpan and brush, but have you ever seen a dustpan the size of this? Thing's absolutely massive. A lot of these commercial sites I do, they don't actually do winter baskets, they only seem to do spring and summer ones, but just think it adds a nice little bit of colour if you're doing them in the winter. It's not got to be all doom and gloom, has it? Only 2 at this site as well. Some sites we've sort of got 6 baskets. Some will have none. Some will have more. Like all my jobs, they're all running December, January, and February. I'm doing 2 visits per month. So there's not a lot to do. Gives me a bit of time off over Christmas and in the new year. You sort of recharge and get ready for the season. And then once we get to March and April, then all the jobs go back up to 4 visits a month. I don't have them set at weekly. I've set it at 4 per month, because then if we've got a long month, I can actually then have a day off or have a couple of days off, and it just gives it a little bit more freedom. Sort of found this system, and it works quite well now. And then obviously what we're doing with payment for that is we're working out how many visits we're doing each year. So normally it would be 40 or 42, and then we'll work out the price per year, and then that price will be divided into 12, and then they'll pay 12 equal amounts. So I have regular income all season and during the winter. And I also find a lot of them, it helps because they know what they're paying. There's nothing worse than going into a garden and then everything you suggest to do, they don't want to go with it because they don't like the price. So I've sort of found doing it this way, you go in with your budget, and right from the start they'll either like it or they won't like it. You can cherry pick the good ones and kind of get rid of the ones that just want the low budget, sort of, they don't want it looking nice, they don't want all the nice extras to go with it. But yeah, there's our couple of baskets done. Go and get them hung up, and I'm not even sure it's worth starting the backpack blower today because it is so windy, but I've got to do something.